What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new tutorial video. If you guys are new on this channel, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel for epic tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys a technique how you can create stuff like this with. Basically you are creating a blend between two forms and we are going to replace this blend with a path. So you can create any object you want with it. I've been doing some sketching on forehand. I'm going to draw this 7 with the pen tool. Then after that I'm going to create the blend, and after that I'm going to replace the blend with the path. Okay, so we first draw the line over here. We give it an outline stroke. I'm going to give it a black outline stroke so you can see what you're doing. Okay, select it again. Okay, click on this anchor point and drag it to this line over here. Okay, this looks quite good, and I think I'm going to give this a little bit of a corner of rounding, I mean. So click on this little white button, little white circle over here, and drag it a little bit in. So now we have created the 7 in a path, and now we're going to create the blend between it. Okay, draw a circle. We want like, I think 16 pieces in between in the circle. So we are going to let's see, use the calculator to see how many degrees we have to use for the angles. So 360 16 is 22.5. Okay, so draw a line, click on the rotate tool and click on the bottom anchor point with holding shift and alt, and then you get the rotate options, and you are going to set this angle to 22.5%, and then we press on copy, and then you can click on Command D, which means duplicate the action which just have been made. So you can duplicate it until the circle is whole again, and then we are going to use the Shift M tool, which is in the toolbar shape builder tool, to create all the parts as separated forms. We can delete these. Okay, and we are going to select some of them. We are going to make the fill in black. So select the other ones. We are going to give this a white fill. This looks quite good, and now we are going to group this. So Command G on your keyboard, and then we select this, and then we're going to duplicate it with holding Alt and Shift and drag it to the right side of it. And then I think we are going to make this a little bit smaller. And then we are going to Object, Path, no, Object, Blend, Blend Options, Specified Steps, and we're going to set this to 1000. And then we are going to blend again and make. As you can see, the blend has just been made, looks quite good. And for now we can just select both the blend and the path, and then go to blend, replace spine. And then it gives us this nice replaced spine effect. We're going to blend again. You can also reverse spine, so it moves from the other way around. This looks quite good. You can now adjust the line if you want to make it more smoother, even more smooth. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to drag this a little bit out. Yeah, this looks quite good. I'm going to drag this a little bit in, this a little bit out, this as well. Okay, that looks quite good. So if you guys like this video, please drop a like, comment down below, and tell all your friends about this YouTube channel. And I check you guys in my next tutorial video. Peace!